Hello everyone and welcome back to another brand new tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you draw the national flag of Brazil and also Argentina. Actually I created a poll on the YouTube community box and I got the percentage of the Argentina and the Brazil's vote are mostly same. And also I'm not going to actually distinguish between these two national flag because we need to respect that. So that's why I'm going to make the two flag that's been Brazil's and also the Argentina flag. So let's get started. So now you can see here I already created a folder called turtle, and inside this folder you can see here two folders. One is the Argentina, it's containing the file of the Argentina, and another one is the Brazil. So if I click here, open this file, you can see here all the code is already done by me, and another one is the Brazil's. Okay, so let's run the code and see. Let's first run the Brazil's one. See how it actually work and how it actually draw automatically using Python turtle. Okay, see how it actually work. Okay, so fine. So now let's run the code for the Argentina one. Let's run it, Argentina. Yeah, run the file here. Okay, see how it actually work. It actually works so fine, creating the sounds. Okay, and streaks. Okay, and fill it. Yep. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to make this one, but before jumping on the code I wanted to say one thing, that is please comment below and give your prediction who will actually own the Copa America 2021, and leave a comment below, Argentina or Brazil. So now let's jump on the code. So first discuss about the Argentina one, but before actually we are actually going to start this code, first you have to import the turtle module. That's mean this is nothing but the initial thing. First import the turtle, then create an object of the turtle, turtle.turtle, and set the speed of the turtle. You can see here I actually set the speed of the 3. That means it is so slow. If I set the speed as 1, so now you can see here it is so slow. Okay, and how you set the speed as 10, see how it actually work. Run the Python code terminal. So speed, okay, so speed, you can see here it actually working fine. Yep, I'm going to click it to close that. Okay, then you create one screen here, window equal to turtle.screen. You can also set the screen color as a white. You can see here window.bg color, that's mean background color. Okay, then you can see I set the pen color as a this hash code. This is nothing the hash code for the blues one. Okay, then you can see pen up, go to, pen down, and sum all the things. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about what actually happening on this code and what's the method are and what are the uses of this method. Okay, so let's jump on here. So now you can see here there are 12 methods we are actually using this to actually create this kind of flag. Okay, so first one is called the set heading. So it will take the parameter for angles. Okay, for example, if I took a pen here, so let's white color pen. So this is nothing but our coordinate here. Okay, this is nothing but our 90, that's mean 90 degree, and this is the coordinate for 180. Listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully because I am going to actually discuss about that. If you know about the working of this method, then you can easily understand what actually happening on the code here. Okay, so this is nothing but the coordinate. This set heading, it actually take the coordinate what do you call the coordinate value, that's mean the angle value. Okay, so if I pass here 90 degree, that's mean, for example, this is nothing but our turtle. Okay, this is nothing but our turtle. If we actually set the 90 degree on the parameter on the set heading, that's mean the turtle will move upward directions. Okay, move upward direction. This is nothing but our turtle. This set heading actually help us to the head, set the head of the turtle. Okay, set the head of the turtle. Listen carefully. Okay, and another one is 180. So this is nothing but help us to actually move the head of the turtle in these positions. Okay, see this position. This is nothing but our 90 degree angle, and this is nothing but our 180 angle. For the 270, this should be like that. That's mean this is nothing but the directions of the set heading. Okay, 270. Another one is 360. That means 360 degree, and it will go on these directions. Okay, So now the question is, how can we actually create the flag of the Brazil? So in the middle, you can see here one this kind of square. So see how can you actually make this out. Oh, okay, this should be the straight line. Okay, see. So for example, our turtle is on the side. Okay, let's take one pen for the red one. Okay, for example, our turtle in on this position. Now we need to move this turtle on this direction. That's mean these directions. Okay, these directions. So what we have to do, and what is the fat heading which will take? So this time, this is nothing but our coordinate here. This is nothing but our coordinate. So this is nothing but our 90 degree, and this is nothing but our 180. So this is must be greater than 90 degree, and we actually take the value of 140 degree here to actually creating this line. Okay, and also this one for 60 degree. Okay, see, if I draw one coordinate here, so this is nothing but less than 90 degree, so we give here 60 degree. So how you actually do the coding, then you can understand it very easily. Okay, so now the question is the circle. Okay, and you can see here one is the forward. So our fat heading is done right now, and forward is actually help us to move the turtle to the one position to the another position. That's mean, for example, our turtle in this position, we are going to actually move this turtle in the position, this position to this position, for example. So we can draw a line like that, and this is nothing but our forward. Okay, our forward is also done. Now the third one is called the begin fill. It actually helps us to fill with the color. That means this rectangle. For example, how you actually create one rectangle. Let's say this is the rectangle here, and if we are trying to fill this out with some color, so let's put here one color. Let's choose this one. If we try to fill with this color, okay, this kind of color, that means this should be the. So how you actually try to fill it out with this color? So you're using to actually initialize the filling color. That's mean begin fill. Then we need to call this one. That's in fill color. That's when you need to actually fill the color with any kind of color. You can see it's take the color name as an argument in the parameter. So color name should be blue, C green, something else. Okay, and finally you need to actually call this and fill. That's mean this three method is actually help you to fill with color in any kind of shapes. Okay, now the sixth one is the pen up. For example, if I going to go on this direction to this direction, and also this one, and if I go on this direction to directions, that's this direction to this direction, and I'm not going to actually draw the lines here. So if we don't draw the lines, because we use the forward, and our turtle will actually draw the lines. So when you actually use the pen up, that's mean pen will up. That's mean pen will actually don't draw the lines. Then we need to use this pen down, not go to pen down. Then it would not actually draw the lines. How you actually set the pen down, that's when pen is okay, it's able to draw. Okay, now this one, the seventh one. So seventh one is for the go to. Go to is for actually go to the some kind of coordinate. Let's say this is nothing but our coordinate, and this is not our x-axis, and this is nothing our y-axis. Okay, so go to will actually help us to go on this coordinate value. That's mean this coordinate, or this. And the ninth one is 9 is called circle. It will take the length and the radius. By default, it will actually take the radius. So if we actually on the radius, if I pass here, let's say 50, and it will draw the circle of the 50-degree radius, this kind of. Okay, and length is how the length of this circle. Okay, if the length is the circle of each line, that's mean if you are trying to actually create one semicircle, because in Brazil, okay, you can see here this is nothing but the ball. Okay, if I choose this one color, this is nothing but the ball with this color. And if we're trying to print one like that, so I'm going to actually use this white one. We need to actually create one semicircle here on the Brazil flag. Okay, on the Brazil flag, we need to create one semicircle here. So that's why we need to actually use this one. And this one is called the left. This is nothing but the go to the left position. It's also take the parameter of degree, and also the right position. And backward is nothing but it's opposite of the forward. That means forward go, and backward mean backward. Okay, so now talk about the actual sun on the middle of the Argentina flag. So this is nothing but the sun. So for the sun, we're just creating one circle here with the fill color with the yellow color. That's mean this color, the fill color. and we need to actually create some lines here like that. Okay, if you see before like that. So that's why we are going to use this left and the right key. Okay, that's mean this is nothing but 90 degree and this is the 45, maybe 45, and it's greater than 45. So how you actually do the code, and you will actually easily understand all the things here. So let's jump on the code. Okay, so now let's understand the code. Okay, so now you can see here obg.pan up, that's in pan will be up and the go to this position. So I am going to actually comment out all the lines here. Okay, these lines forward and comment out here. So see, this is nothing but the go to, that's in pan up and the pan down, that means it's not actually draw the lines here. Okay, just go here and run Python code in the terminals. Okay, that's it's not actually run the code. Okay, actually forgot to actually comment out this height one, because it will actually hide the turtle. Then you can easily actually see how you actually go here. Okay, so you can see a turtle with go this directions, and this direction is nothing but the 180 or 360 degree angle. Okay, that's means 0th angle. Okay, so now we need to actually make this forward. Okay, so that's why you're using begin fill, that's means it will fill this color and set heading as 0, and the forward is nothing but 300 and the set heading is 270, and forward 15, that's means it will go back. Okay, down, and the set heading is 180, that's means these positions and this one, that's means it will actually create one rectangle with the fill color of this blue. See. Okay, like out. Okay, begin color with fill with this blue color. I don't actually know it's called blue color or anything. Okay, so now we need to actually set the heading of this turtle position in this downward position. That's mean 270. Close it and see. We set the set heading position as 270. This one's awesome, man. It's so easy to create the flag of Argentina, and it's okay. You can see it will go this position. Now this one is white, and now we need to go to the down. So that's why I'm going to actually go to down here. See, this one. I'm going to comment out this line. So don't worry, man. I actually give all the code in the GitHub, and there should be also a password, and the password should be Brazil versus Argentina in lowercase letter. Okay. So now we need to go on this direction and create one circle here. Okay. See, how can you actually create one circle here? This is nothing but the function for drawing the circle between the rest. So I'm going to go here and create the circle and see how it actually work here. Okay, fill this one, and I'm going to comment out this line. See, yep, circle is created. Now we need to create the ray here. So that's why we are going to create one function here to actually creating the ref. See, it will take one obj, that's in turtle.obj, and the length and also the radius. Okay, so now we are going to actually create the fourth radius. You can also make this as 10. It's up to you. If I make this 110, and that's mean 10 ref. Okay, and obj.pan up here. Okay, pan up, that's mean here. Okay, I'm making this at 4 right now. Pan up, and the radius is nothing but the forward. That's mean it will go to the forward radius. That's mean it will actually create one kind of ray. And you can see a pan down and the forward and the pan up and the backward. That means it will backward. It will go this direction, again back, again go, again back, again go, again back. Then it will create 4 lines. Okay, see how it actually works. Okay, we need to also call this function here. That's mean def draw here. That's mean this draw. I'm going to actually make this out here. Okay, def draw. This one, and also let's this one. See how it actually draw here. Yep, right now you can see this is on this position. Now we need to go on this direction. That's in these directions. We actually fix this out. So that's why we need to actually set the heading and also this one. So let's comment. Okay, uncomment this line here. Okay, sorry, uncomment these lines, and also these lines, and also these lines. Okay, and save it. I think it will work fine now. Yeah, right now you can see it will actually create the fourth one. Okay, fourth one, because you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 and the 7th. That's been nothing but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's been actually creating the 8 lines, because you can see we pass here 4, because if we put here 10, so it will actually create the 21. Okay, and now we need to actually create the stumps here. Okay, so just comment out these lines. It's so easy to actually make that, because you actually understand the logic behind this code. Just run the code here and see the output. Okay, Okay, this will work fine. Yep, up, yep, done. So now let's jump to the code for the Brazil one. Okay, so this is the initial code. You need to actually do that. Okay, and you can see your pan color is nothing but a sea green. Okay, and you can see your pan up and the pan down also same here like that. If I go up, these all are equal theme, but the fill color is sea green, and set heading 0, that's mean to actually go here and create one rectangle with the fill color. So I'm going to actually comment out these lines and run the code here. Run the code. Okay, see, it actually create one rectangle. Now we need to go on the backward direction and go here and create one square rectangle. Okay, see how can we actually do that here? Okay, okay, this one. Okay, let's uncomment this line here. See, it will set heading this 270 this downward direction, and it will forward to the 10, and the set heading is 360. That's mean it will go here. And now you can see pan up and the forward is 150. That's mean it will go this direction to the directions and fill with the yellow color, and the set heading as 142. That's mean this is nothing but the degree, and go to the 120 direction, and the set heading is nothing but the 40. Okay. So on my actually discussion, I actually set the direction as 140 and 60 degree. So this should be 40 degree here. So now you can see it actually creating this rectangle here. This direction, this go, this go, this go. See how it actually work here. Okay. See, yeah. Forward this direction. So if I comment out this line and see, okay, it will go, go, go here and go. Okay, I think we need to actually comment out. Okay, we already commented out because our what do you call, our pan color is nothing but soybean, so that's why it's not actually visible. So we actually, if we comment out these lines also, then it will actually be visible here. Okay, see right now it will black, and you can actually easily understand. Okay, so this is nothing but the turtle. So now we need to just set the heading on this direction. That means this is nothing but on these directions. So now we need to actually move this turtle on this direction. That means it's on the middle of the 90 and the 180. So now we need to choose 1 degree on the directions. So how need to actually go on this direction, then we need to actually choose this one, and this should be the less than 90 degrees. So that's we put here 40, and it's also same on these cases. Okay, I think hopefully you'll actually understand this code. Let's comment out those lines. Okay, this one. Okay, and run the code and Python terminal. Okay, see how it actually works. Go, 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 draw in the field. Okay, so now we need to go on these directions and go on this direction and create one circle here with the fill color. Okay, okay, see, so pan up, pan down, and the setting is nothing but 140. We actually set the set heading as a 142 before, and some cases 1 degree is actually minus here. You can also fix it out, don't worry, because you know the method work. Okay, now we need to go on the upward. That's mean we need to set the set heading as a 90 degree. Okay, see 90 degree here. You can see 90 degree, and the forward is nothing but the 30. That's mean it will go here and fill one circle. So let's also comment out these lines, and this is nothing but the RGB code. I actually collect it from code from the Google for the RGB code color for the Brazil flag and also the Argentina flag. So you can see here it actually creating one ball. So now we need to create one semicircle. But before actually creating a semicircle, how you actually creating a semicircle? This will create one circle on this direction. So that's why you need to go on these directions. And this time you actually use the pan up and the pan down, because we don't need to actually create this line. So this is nothing but 360 degree angle, 360 degree. So how you actually move this turtle on this position, these positions. So we need to make this as 340. Okay, understand? See, okay, set heading and the 345 with pen down. See, it will go on these directions, and see how it actually working here. Okay, go, 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 and go, and okay, yep, you can see here it is actually here. Now we need to move this 190 degree and create one lines with pen size 10. So now you can see here we actually create one circle here. So now you can see here this is nothing but the land, and this is nothing but the radius here, and with white, and also we set the pen size. Okay, pen size as 10. That's means this is the pen size should be increases here. So you can see here I am not actually discussing about the pen size on my discussion. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, see, it will actually create these and also go this line, also go here. Now I need to move this turtle on this 90-degree direction. Now it is so easy to actually create that. Okay, so see, yeah, fill color with sea green and set color is the 90-degree. That's mean this will actually help us to create this stick one. It's easy to actually make that. So just tricky part is nothing but to actually creating the middle rectangle and also the ball and also the white lines here. Okay, run the code. Okay, so now you can see here it actually worked fine. Okay, so now you can also comment in line of the sea green and actually remove this black line here. Okay, so let's remove it out and okay, this one. Okay, and comment this line and run the code for the last time. Okay, and you also run the code for the Argentina one. Don't worry, man. Okay, yep. And also please leave a comment below and who will actually own this Copa America 2021. Okay, and run this code here also. Okay, see, okay, we can also set the speed as 3 and check it out again. Okay, this is nothing but the 10 one speed, so speed, if I give here the 1, I think it is also speed. Okay, slow, it will actually slowly actually drawing this rectangle. See how it actually work. Go on these directions, go here, go back. That's been set heading and set heading as 180, go and go again and again back, because we need to create that and create one circle and create the wreath here. Okay, see how it actually working here. Okay, see, don't run that code will be in the GitHub and you can also copy this code and paste it and run on your interpreter. Okay, see, so awesome. Okay, that's all. So this is the video. Hope you will enjoy this video and make sure to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for never miss any update. Thank you and bye bye.